Hi, I'm Dwane Thomas, author of Visual Latin, and I'm here to give you some good reasons to study Latin. But before I give you good reasons, I want to give you a bad reason. Mark Twain, a famous American author, one time said, "By all means, learn another language. It will not make you any smarter, but everyone will think that you're smarter." I knew growing up that I needed that. I'm not afraid to admit that I'm not the sharpest elevator in the ocean. Let me give you 5 good reasons to study Latin. Come on, guys, I'm counting on you. 5 good reasons to study Latin. Number 1, if you're a kid watching this, here's a good reason for you to study Latin. Your parents are probably making you study Latin. But think about it. If you're a kid, you're not doing much right now, right? You watch cartoons, you read some books, you hang around the house. You're not doing much. Your parents know that you're going to need a good education to do well in this life. You'll need a good education, then go to a good college, then get a good job or start your own business so that you can work there for a long time so you can retire so that you can go back to doing nothing. Hey, wait a minute.